Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a lip swatch video. Today I am swatching and testing out the Rimmel Oh My Gloss lip oils. Now I only have 2 shades to swatch for you guys, but I'm going to test these out to see if they are any good. So I have the shade 001 Pink Flush and 003 Berry Pink. Now I've tried a lot of the Rimmel Oh My Gloss range. I've tried the butter lip balms, the glosses, but I like both those products anyway, so I'm hoping to like these. I love a good lip oil. These were quite pricey. I think these were about £10 each for a lip oil. Usually lip oils are around about £7.99. So yeah, let's just get swatching. So first of all, we have the shade Pink Flush. Huge applicator. That smells stunning. What a nice scent. Oh, that just smells gorgeous. Look at that on my lips. That felt like somebody was putting butter across my lips. It was just stunning. But this doesn't have much pigment, if any. This is sort of like a clear gloss, but this just looks so nice on my skin. So hydrating, not sticky. It genuinely is like a really comfortable lip oil to wear. And the smell is just gorgeous. So I love this shade, Pink Flush, stunning so far. And then the other one that I have is called Berry Pink. This has a little bit more pigment to it, so we'll see if that shows on the lips. Probably not, but we'll see. Wow, this smells different. Hang on a second. So this one smells like candy floss, the first one. Whereas the second one smells like berries. Wow, they both smell stunning, but I prefer the smell of the first one. Again, doesn't have any color to it. I thought it might have had a little bit of pigment, but no, exactly the same consistency as the other one. In terms of like softness on your lips, really comfortable to wear, not sticky. Yeah, I really like it. I like it, but I wish it had more color. I was expecting this to have more color, so I'm kind of disappointed about that, especially for the price. I was hoping this would have had a bit more colour to it. I actually think I prefer the first one to this one. But again, both really nice. I just think these are quite pricey for what they are. Like if you compare them to the e.l.f. lip oils, they're cheaper and they have more pigment to them. But again, these are a really nice product. I just think they're a little bit high at their price point. And I'm not sure if I would repurchase again. But there we go. I've swatched those 2 shades for you guys. So that completes this video. It's just a quick whistle-stop tour of these 2 shades of the Rimmel Oh My Gloss lip oils. So I hope you liked this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And let me know in the comments down below, have you tried these lip oils? Which shades have you tried and which shade is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.